Welcome to this video. In the previous video, we studied probability while rolling a die. Today we will study probability while rolling two dice. This Ludo game with two dice has some rules. The first rule is that the player will start the game only when both dice have the same digits. The second rule is that the player can move his token only if both dice have an even number or odd number and will move that many places as the sum of those two numbers. Can you now tell what is the probability of getting the same number on rolling both dice? Let's discuss this. Here we observe rolling two dice together gives a total of 36 different outcomes, which are indicated in this table. But many times students believe that if rolling one die gives 6 outcomes, similarly rolling two dice together will give 12 outcomes. And if you are thinking the same, then it is a wrong understanding. Because rolling two dice together gives the total number of possible outcomes as 36. Here, we have to find the probability of getting the same number. We can see that there are 6 different outcomes having the same digit on both dice. That is, the total number of favorable outcomes will be 6. Now let's find the probability of getting the same number using the probability formula, which is 6 by 36 or 0.167. Can you tell the probability of getting an even or an odd number on both dice to move the token forward? We saw that rolling both dice together gives 36 possible outcomes. From those, there are a total 9 outcomes having even numbers on both dice. Therefore, the number of favorable outcomes will be 9. So, the probability of getting even numbers on both dice using the probability formula is 9 by 36 or 0.25. Similarly, if we find the probability of getting an odd number on both dice, then it also gives us 9 by 36 or 0.25. Today we understood the probability while rolling two dice. In the next video, we will see interesting examples based on probability.